How to fix your Premiere Pro lagging. First, you want to click on Edit and then click on Preferences. From here, just choose General. Once the setting opens up, just click on Media Cache, click on Delete, and click on OK. Sometimes a lot of cache is stored by your Premiere Pro, so deleting it will usually fix it. If it's still not fixed, click on Memory and make sure this is on the lowest as possible. So right now it can't go lower than 3, so it is on 3. But if yours is in like 22 or something like that, just scroll it down to the lowest as possible and click on OK. Your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, try to see if the video you're trying to edit is a high definition video. If your video is 4K, 8K, something like that, that is the reason why your PC is lagging when you're trying to use Premiere Pro. In that case, I will suggest you to do is turn that video into proxies and try to edit it. There's a lot of video on YouTube to turn your video into proxy. Watch that to learn it. And by using all these steps which I just taught you, your problem should be fixed. And yeah, if your hardware of your PC, like your graphics card, your processor is way too old, you also need to upgrade it. If you're trying to use the latest Premiere Pro, it's going to require high-end graphics card and processors. So if you don't have that, that's the reason why it's lagging. So keep that in mind as well. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.